Every journey has its beginning. For me, it starts here. The weights don't care how I feel. They don't care about my doubts or anxieties. They don't even ask any questions. They're here to test me, to challenge me, to break me if I let them. It's always the first rep that feels the heaviest and the hardest. My body screams, my joints hesitate, and my mind questions. But I keep going. This is the moment that separates giving up from growing stronger. Failure isn't when you fall, but when you stop trying, and I refuse to stop. I shall overcome. One more rep, one final fight, one more battle won, and one step closer to the person I'm meant to be. The weights will be here tomorrow, waiting to challenge me again. And I'll be here, ready to rise once more. Strength isn't just physical, it's the courage to keep going.